Today's society moves at a much faster pace than in the past. People are more stressed, which leads to more mental and physical health issues. More people are concerned about toxicity in their food and the air they breathe. Millions of people today lead sedentary lives, which are linked to obesity. Yoga originated in India thousands of years ago and included spiritual beliefs, physical techniques, and scholarly philosophy.
Patanjali is credited with the development of the practice of yoga. The Yoga Sutras of Patanjali are a text that covers many aspects of life, beginning with a code of conduct and concluding with the goal of yoga, a vision of one's true self. The Yoga Sutras of Patanjali are probably the most authoritative texts on yoga. It defines yoga as the concentration of one's attention on one object to the exclusion of all others. Yoga is more than just postures and meditation, it is a way of life. There are 8 steps to awakening or enlightenment through yoga in this influential scripture. Yams, niyamas, asanas, pranayam, pratyahara, dharana, dhyana, and samadhi are the 8 astanga or limbs of yoga. The yams are lessons in moral and social behavior in our environment. It teaches us to avoid lying, stealing, and greed. The key is non-violence and consideration for all living things. Communication with sensitivity to others and moderation in all that we do is highly valued. The niyamas are attitudes toward oneself that include compromising, cleanliness, serenity, devotion, and asceticism. A higher intelligence should be studied and revered. There is an acknowledgement of our limitations in relation to God. It is critical to have cleansed the mind and body of impurities. The asanas focus on posture practice, positioning the body while incorporating the breath to achieve greater mental awareness. While observing the reactions of the body and breath to various postures, one is alert and relaxed without tension. This reduces the impact of external factors on the body, such as diet and climate. Pranayam, or breath control and restraint, aids in concentration, energizing, and balancing the mind and body. Pratyahara is the relaxation of the senses, during which no distractions activate the mind. Dharana, or concentration, is the ability to direct one's mind toward a specific object and focus solely on it. Dhyana, or meditation, is the ability to engage in focused interactions with what we are attempting to comprehend. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, samadhi is the highest state of self-realization or union with the source.